Alright, let's do a quick explanation again of 2-minute strategy. You've got the 6, the 14, and the 26 MAs. They're just standard simple moving averages. This is your trigger line. You need that to cross the yellow, and you need the red to be below if you're selling or above if you're buying. I use this as an extra confirmation as a crossover, which it's done. You've got to do this on the start of the 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 minute marks. Don't go in on odd numbers because the candles will finish weird. So at say 8:02, if that's crossed, you go in here, or if it's 8:06 or 8:08 or whatever the time, and that's it. That's as easy as it is. It's all it is. Things like this is a mess. You stay away from things like that. You want nice, concise lines. It's not going to win every time, as you can see here. The MACD line's above. It's coming from below. It's crossed. The red's above. We get in for a trade here or here. Could have been any one of these ones, and we have a win. It doesn't win every single time. Here's another one. It's above. The red is above, but we're crossing down. Now you can look at that and go, well, you've got 2 out of 3 confirmations. I'm going for a trade, and if you went in, you would have won. But being that that is above, I mean, it's riskier. I mean, you can do it, but I wouldn't have taken this trade because the red's above. The red needed to be below. Okay, here's on the other side of things. MACD's crossed. Red's above. Blue, 3 blues, 4 blues, easy win. So that's pretty much all it is, guys. I do 5 trades a day, and I win. Most days I win 5 or 4, and it's pretty consistent. So I like it. You just got to get into the habit of doing it. Put 10 pairs up if you've got no time, and you can get this done inside an hour. But that's pretty much all it is.